Hello guys, this video is gonna be about, guess what, the 16mm 1.4. Since my last video brought me more than 35,000 views and also more than 3,000 subscribers, I said why not? Why not another video with my 16mm 1.4? I'll be testing it in an extreme low light situation, complete darkness, while I throw some fire bombs. For this video I set auto white balance, I have picture profile off, and I didn't do any color grading whatsoever. What you see is the image straight out of the camera, and keep in mind that when you're using slow motion the quality downgrades. If I was shooting 4K the image would be much better, but in any case I believe even in 120 frames per second with more than 125 shutter speed you can create some beautiful shots having a fire burning in front of you. Enjoy the video and I'll see you in the next one.